I cured my dragon breath with these 10 steps. You won't believe how. Have you ever been in a conversation where the person you're talking to takes a step back? It's that dreaded moment, a sign of bad breath. But fear not, today, we're diving deep into halitosis and how you can banish it for good. Let's break it down. What is bad breath and why does it happen? Bad breath, medically known as halitosis, isn't just a social faux pas. It could be a signal that something's not quite right in your body. Throughout history, people have tried creative ways to combat it. From aromatic resins in ancient Greece to eggshells in ancient China, fighting bad breath has been a universal challenge. But what causes this problem? The main culprits are bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria feast on food particles left behind and release foul-smelling gases as byproducts. Add in factors like dry mouth, diet, and poor oral hygiene, and you've got a recipe for stinky breath. Bad breath can be a pesky problem, but there are simple ways to keep your mouth fresh. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more health and wellness tips. Say goodbye to dragon breath forever with these 10 simple steps. 1. Boost your probiotic intake. Did you know your mouth has its own microbiome? Balancing the good and bad bacteria in your mouth is key to fresh breath. Probiotics, found in foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, can help maintain this balance. Probiotics introduce good bacteria, which crowd out the odor-causing ones. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods into your diet or take a daily supplement. Don't forget to check out the latest dental superfood in the description box. 2. Use peppermint essential oil. Peppermint isn't just for candy canes. It's a powerful tool for freshening your breath and fighting bacteria. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which kills harmful bacteria and leaves a refreshing scent. Add a drop of peppermint essential oil to a glass of water or mix it with baking soda for a DIY toothpaste. 3. Try baking soda. This humble kitchen staple is a breath-freshening powerhouse. Baking soda helps neutralize acids in your mouth, reducing odor. It balances your mouth's pH and fights the bacteria responsible for bad smells. Use a pinch of baking soda as a rinse or sprinkle some on your toothbrush for a quick cleanse. 4. Eat more parsley. Parsley isn't just a garnish, it's a natural odor neutralizer thanks to its high chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll acts as a deodorizer, combating strong odors like garlic or onions. Chew on parsley leaves after meals or blend them into juices and salads. 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is one of the easiest ways to keep your breath fresh. A dry mouth can lead to bad breath since saliva is crucial for washing away food particles and bacteria. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense against bacteria. Drink sufficient water daily, and lemon can be added for extra zest and freshness. 6. Cut down on sugar. Sugar isn't just bad for your teeth, it's a feast for bad bacteria. Overindulging in sweets can lead to a smelly situation. Reducing sugar intake deprives bacteria of their favorite food. Swap sugary snacks for crunchy veggies or nuts. 7. Brush and scrape. Brushing your teeth twice daily and scraping your tongue can make a huge difference. Tongue scraping, in particular, removes debris and bacteria that contribute to bad breath. This combo tackles up to 70% of bad breath causes. Use a fluoride toothpaste and invest in a good tongue scraper. Scraping your tongue daily after brushing your teeth is a great habit to start. 8. Address dry mouth. Dry mouth, also known as xerostomia, can be caused by medications, dehydration, or breathing through your mouth. It's a common cause of bad breath. Coffee lovers should be aware that their favorite drink can lead to dry mouth and lingering odors. Stimulating saliva production keeps bacteria at bay. Mint, cinnamon, and citrus fruits are some good choices if you do not find them too acidic or irritating. Chew sugar-free gum, stay hydrated, or speak to your doctor about possible solutions. 9. Be mindful of your diet. Certain foods, like garlic, onions, and coffee, are notorious for causing bad breath. Additionally, diets like keto or high-protein regimens can lead to a condition called keto breath. Avoiding or moderating these foods can reduce mouth odor. Add fresh herbs or citrus to meals to counteract lingering smells. Some foods can actually fight bad breath, like parsley, mint, and crunchy fruits such as apples. 10. Quit smoking. Smoking is a major culprit when it comes to bad breath. It dries out your mouth, increases bacterial growth, and leaves a lasting odor. Quitting smoking not only improves your breath but also benefits your overall oral health. Seek support through cessation programs or nicotine replacement therapies. If you need a quick fix, sugar-free gum can help by making your mouth produce more saliva. Detection challenges. People struggle to detect their own bad breath due to acclimatization. Common methods like cupping hands or licking wrists are subjective and unreliable. The most effective method is to ask a friend for honest feedback. Sometimes, bad breath can be a sign of something more serious. Gum disease. Bacteria buildup can lead to periodontal issues. Sinus infections. Post-nasal drip can cause an unpleasant odor. Acid reflux. Stomach acids can leave a sour taste and smell in your mouth. Diabetes. An unusual, fruity breath odor could be a sign of this condition. When to see a dentist or doctor. If you've tried these tips and still struggle with bad breath, it might be time to consult a professional. Persistent bad breath can indicate gum disease, cavities, or even conditions like diabetes or GERD. Don't worry if you don't see results right away. With regular care, you should notice fresher breath within a few days. Don't forget to check out the latest dental superfood in the description box. These easy steps can make a big difference in keeping your breath smelling clean and pleasant. Fresh breath isn't just about social confidence, it's a sign of good health. With these 10 tips, you're well on your way to banishing bad breath for good. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more health and wellness tips.